The Solution Architect Professional Exam is not easy. I failed it once before passing and wasted $300. As a Solution Architect Associate, you should identify yourself with at least 7 out of 10 items on this list. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the like button and subscribe. Hey there! In this video, you will have tips on how to pass the AWS Solution Architect Professional Exam. But before that, let's have a quick story. Imagine you're a cloud associate, thinking you already know everything about cloud, but there are several concepts you need to master before making the crucial decision to advance your career. As a Solution Architect Associate, you should identify yourself with at least 7 out of 10 items on this list. Well, let's say 7.5 out of 10. The Solution Architect Professional Exam is not easy. I failed it once before passing and wasted $300. I could have both it done, but that wasn't the goal, right? I had to reevaluate myself. I'm an AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional. But how did I get these certifications? You might ask. After earning my PhD in computer science, I moved to cloud computing, not because it was trending at that time, but because I received numerous job offers related to cloud. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the like button and subscribe. I passed my practitioner exam easily. Check. I passed my Solution Architect Associate exam on the first try. Check. I passed my Terraform Associate exam on the first try. Check. Very interesting. I passed my AWS DevOps professional exams on the first try as well. Check. But oh my goodness. But when it was a time for the AWS Solution Architect Professional Exam, I failed. It was a shock because I studied the same way I did for the other exams. So I did a personal knowledge check, which will pop up on your screen right now. This checklist helped me evaluate myself before retaking the exam because I needed that certification. At some point, it was personal. This list will help you evaluate your weaknesses and strengths in the cloud world. To become a cloud professional, you need not only overall knowledge, but the ability to practice and master that knowledge. Check this list before making your decision. Cost management and optimization. It's very important to focus on this aspect because there is no company in the world that can allow themselves to lose money. So as a solution architect, you need to have a way of making the architecture efficient enough in such a way that you will take in consideration all the aspects of their business model. So when do you need to use technology such as network load balancer or application load balancer? When do you need to use endpoint? Those are the type of questions that you will ask. How frequent do you need to provide EC2 instances? Do you need an auto-scaling group? So what about the database? Do you need to have a NoSQL database? Do you need a serverless one, such as Aura? Those are the type of questions that you are going to ask to yourself and to clients. You need to have that type of knowledge, the practical knowledge, so that the customer will be interested. So that list will help you to evaluate yourself and to be able to go for the certification. Please tell us in the comment what was your experience. Thank you and bye for now. Oh, wait. As a bonus tips, don't forget to check out the AWS blog to keep your head above water in the wild world of the cloud. It's like being thrown out of a flying plane without a parachute. Guys, it's wild. Stay up to date by keeping up with blogs, the AWS community, and forums on social media. This will help you learn more about what you might miss to get your professional cloud architect certification. And don't forget to follow up on this YouTube page as well as on Instagram to keep up with best practices and have some great tips. Thank you and bye for now.